So our first priority is always to our patients and our customers. We do this through our three distinct business segments. Our consumer segment, which you may be more familiar with, our pharmaceutical segment, which is the largest part of our business and our largest growth driver, and our medical device business. In our consumer sector, we have many of the brands that you may be aware of now, such as Johnson's Baby, Aveeno, Clean and Clear, Band-Aid, Listerine, several other brands. Our consumer segment makes up about 18% of our sales. So while it's the smallest segment of the company, it has a lot more of the brand recognition. So what you may recognize when you're out in the marketplace when you think of Johnson & Johnson. Our pharmaceutical sector is our largest segment. It represents nearly 65% of our sales. And we play in really 6 major therapeutic areas. So when you're looking at where you want to be in the pharmaceutical space, we've chosen very strategically the immunology, infectious disease, neuroscience, oncology, and cardiovascular and metabolic disease states. We think that these are really strategic areas that we can help the most patients, but also really focus our R&D dollars so that we can be most effective. In our medical device sector, we are the #1 leader in global surgery and orthopedics. We have many different brands that you may be familiar with, such as AccuView contact lenses. We are the #1 or #2 market leader in general surgery, energy, endomechanical, biosurgery, and wound closure. Our Ethicon sutures represent an 85% market share and are in nearly every operating room. At J&J, we have a high value on growth, and one of the ways that we've been able to do that is through some strategic acquisitions. There's a number of acquisitions lately, including our Vogue brands in the consumer sector, Abbott Medical Optics, which allows for optical surgery, Actelion, which is in pulmonary hypertension, and Zarbee's. You know, and we try to stay on the cutting edge, and we've noticed that consumer preferences have changed. So we've acquired companies like Vogue and Zarbee's to help fill that. In addition to acquisitions, we also look at strategic partnerships. So J&J is constantly looking to see what we can do to improve the health of our patients. We've formed partnerships with Google, IBM, and their Watson team, HP, Boston University, many more. We also have a really strong value on innovation. So each of our segments, whether it be consumer, pharmaceutical, or medical device, really focuses on innovation. So here are some examples of our innovation in the consumer sector with Baby Center, which Priya can talk to you a little bit more about. Our Neutrogena line with a device to really do skin scanning on your iPhone, and then innovations in the medical device for acid reflux.